Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF. Another Friday, another episode. In today's episode, we're going to focus on a very cool topic called Metaverse. Yes, we're talking about a shared virtual space in the digital world where we get to work, play, and stay connected across the globe. To talk more about it, let me welcome Rishabh Gaur, who is a technical architect at MTC, and he has a perspective on what we announced recently at a conference. Rishabh, welcome to TGIF.
Hey Sandeep, hi.
Wonderful. Rishabh, topic Metaverse. Now, considering the art of the possible, what's your perspective on how will the world be 5 years down the line?
Sandeep, that's a very interesting question. So, currently, if you think about it, you can only experience the internet when you go to it. But with new connectivity, with new devices and new technologies, we'll truly be able to experience it all around us every single day. What we are already seeing is how augmented reality will spark the next big tech platform. And in essence, we are building a 1:1 map of almost unimaginable scope. When it's complete, our physical reality will merge into the digital universe. You can call it metaverse, you can call it the mirror world, the AR world, but one thing is certain, it's coming and it's a big deal.
Wonderful. Can't wait for the world to emerge sooner because we all want to be in that space. So, considering the same topic now, recently at the Build conference, as Microsoft, we spoke of Metaverse for the first time, in its entirety. And we also spoke about the technology stack complementing that philosophy, right? So, just let's reflect on that. What's your take on the tech stack and also its impact on the industries?
Perfect, Sandeep. So in an industrial context, if you think about it today, if you think about IoT, what we are seeing is a typical connected asset stage.
Yeah.
Where what we are doing is we are connecting our machinery to the cloud, we are connecting our devices to the cloud, our sensors to the cloud, so as to make inferences. However, the vision has always been to actually reach a connected environment state where people are at the center and experiences is what actually matters. What I mean by this is, once you have established connectivity, one of the most powerful things that you can do is to actually interact with it. You can interact with the digital replica of the physical world. You can actually get rich metadata from the digital replica. You can get insights about anything that you are doing in the physical world from this digital copy. You can also interact in pure virtual space over distances and with your colleagues, with your experts anywhere around the world as well.
Brilliant. In fact, recent announcement, which is Microsoft Mesh sometime back, isn't that cool, right? In fact, ability for me to look at you in real. Right now, I'm looking at you on a screen, but Rishabh being holoported into the world I'm in right now, that probably is what I aspire for going forward as an individual. That I want to connect with individuals. That's how I want to connect with individuals, right? So thanks for that, Rishabh. In fact, a follow-up question to you. Now that we spoke about the Microsoft tech stack complementing Metaverse as a philosophy, let's talk about the impact to, let's say, a plant manager in a manufacturing plant.
So, Sandeep, here I'll give you a very simple example of a scenario. So basically, let's say I'm a plant manager and for some reason I come into my office on a Monday morning and I see that one of the machinery is malfunctioning.
Yeah.
Now, earlier what used to happen was whoever is a subject matter expert on that particular machinery, I need to call that person, I need to get their time, I need to make them visit my plant and actually go ahead and rectify the error that the machine is showing.
Yeah.
But now with the advent of metaverse capabilities, what we can do is that subject matter expert would be residing anywhere in the world. A simple technician can actually be guided by him onto how exactly he can actually go ahead and dismantle that machinery, go ahead and rectify that error, and then reassemble it again. So if you think about it, we are truly bridging the gap between the digital and the physical worlds.
Wonderful. In fact, what you just said, I think we recently announced Microsoft Mesh, right, in HoloLens. The tagline is, here can be everywhere. I think what you just said is a classic manifestation of that. So Rishabh, quickly, I have a cool gadget here. This is the HMD head-mounted device. So going forward, do you think each of us, in addition to the gadgets we already carry, this would be added to our list of devices we're going to carry?
Sandeep, my worldview is slightly different and slightly more ambitious, where we are not going to carry the devices that we already carry. The only thing that we'll carry is our AR/VR headset, and everything will happen within it. A new iteration of the internet is being worked on, and this will have massive implications on society. This new era of the metaverse, it will unleash amazing creativity and horizons for brands and businesses. And the question is, hey, are we ready for actually another disruption in the industry?
Wow, that's very deep, Rishabh. In fact, no laptop, nothing. I just carry this head-mounted device and work gets done. I want to live in that world. Awesome. So thanks, Rishabh, for your presence today. Thanks for joining in. And again, for all viewers, thanks for joining in today. Have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend ahead. Bye-bye.